Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review, and I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Did you know that the children's entertainment market reached $11.2 billion in 2022 and is projected to hit $18.1 billion by 2028? Yes, it's an incredibly profitable industry. Children have a strong affinity for books, stories, and animations, prompting major companies to invest significantly in this niche. Moreover, it's a continually growing market year after year. It's time to move beyond being a mere observer and start profiting from this expansive yet relatively untapped niche, the children's entertainment industry. Today, you have the opportunity to create and profit from engaging children's video stories using our done-for-you unique, high-quality, and editable video stories with a private label rights license. Each video comes complete with editable AI voiceovers, animations, audio backgrounds, and comprehensive marketing tools. Introducing KidsToons with private label rights. Here's what you'll find inside the KidsToons PLR pack. High quality, unique, ready-to-use children's video stories with PLR. Our team has exclusively created all stories, animations, and graphics to offer you unique and fresh content that's easy to sell. Highly customizable video templates using a drag and drop free video app. All images or graphics used in the video, allowing you to use them for any purpose, including creating your own stories. Additionally, you'll receive a complete set of marketing tools to help you sell KidsToons to your customers, including a complete sales letter with highly converting copywriting and a beautifully designed download page, ready to assist you in selling and delivering your digital product. A high converting video sales letter with amazing voiceover and animation to boost your sales. High quality email swipes in various angles and options, ready to assist you with email marketing to promote your KidsToons product. KidsToons is your business in a box, designed to help you profit from an untapped niche with huge potential. So, what are you waiting for? Get KidsToons for just a one-time low-cost payment before your competitors take advantage of this opportunity.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.